Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in today's video, I've got something really exciting to share with you, and that is how you can make money by selling ebooks without actually having even to create them. Okay, so these are actually going to be free ebooks that you can get from the internet, and I'm going to show you a website that you can find thousands and thousands of free ebooks to get and then to make money with. Okay, so how we're going to do this is if you watch my previous video actually, oh yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as well to my channel, so that you don't miss out on more videos like this. So if you watch my previous video, I speak about how I use a software, or how I bought a software called Scribble. And I never bought it at the time, but now I have bought it, and I think it's an awesome software. And basically what this software does is it creates ebooks within minutes, like your own personal ebooks, your own unique ebooks. And basically what I was explaining is that you can then create these ebooks and then upload them to Amazon Kindles, and then you can start making money with this. But now I'm going to show you something really, really cool. Okay, so you don't even need to create ebooks yourself. You don't even need to buy this software yourself. What you can actually do is you can use, okay, so basically, in a nutshell, there are books that are very, very old books, and they don't have copyright on them, okay, which means that you can do whatever you want with them. You can resell them, you can take that, some of the information, and use it for your own work. You can do whatever you want with these books, okay. And there are thousands and thousands of books, these kind of books, which are called public domain books. Okay, so they're public domain books, and there are thousands of public domain books that you can literally resell for a profit. Okay, and the funny thing is that Amazon are very, very strict when it comes to reselling and stuff, like sorry, not reselling, selling like copyright and stuff. So I wouldn't be recommending you something illegal. Okay, this is 100% legal, and it is allowed to do. But Amazon do have their terms when it comes to selling these kind of books. Okay, and basically what their terms is that you have to add a bit of unique content in there, like for example a biography of the writer just before the book, or your own unique illustrations, just to add to the book. And basically when you add to the book and you make it, even the cover, the e-cover can be like slightly different, like not the same cover. You can get someone on Fiverr to actually create for you a very unique cover, so it becomes like it's yours. And not just that, but when you can actually create your own unique like version of the book, you can then actually label it as yours, as in like no one else can use that. So that's pretty cool, guys. But you don't have to do that. You can just simply add your own illustrations, like a few pictures here and there, maybe get someone to write a little biography of the author, and then simply add it to the book. Okay, so literally, if you haven't seen Amazon KDP, is very easy to use, but I'm not going to share with you that now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you the website that you can actually go to. So it's DPLA, as you can see. I'm going to dp.la. So we're going to go to that now. And as you can see, Digital Public Library of America. Okay, so now there are actually images, text, videos, and sounds from the US that are all public domain. Okay, now you can even get an image and add it into your book to make it unique from here. Okay, you can do that completely for free. Okay, so there's poetry here, there's books here, there's all types of public domain stuff that you could literally use to sell for a profit. Now, I'm actually going to show you another way, but not into this video. You have to subscribe to my channel, and in my next video, I'm going to share with you something really freaking awesome. Like, trust me, it's going to be awesome. But basically, let's say if you've got a ton of these. So, you know, on these websites there are actually, like, believe it or not, people are actually buying these products because they're famous books. Like, for example, like those really really famous ones. Wait, because I don't really know much about like classical and old books, but let's just say William Shakespeare. Okay, that's a typical one that everyone knows. Don't know if I spelt that right, but let's search and see all of the things that they have. Okay, so um, as you can see here, William Shakespeare, Shakespeare, Hamilton Wright. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here, right here. These are all public domains, which means you can reuse them. Okay, so Shakespeare has a lot of work, obviously, and I don't really know a lot of Shakespeare stuff, even though I studied. Actually, I do know one Macbeth, I think. So let's check Macbeth and see. Okay, so I think I think this is, yeah, I think this is the book, Macbeth book, but I don't know. So for example, you could take something like this, right? And then you could save it, and then you could simply just upload it onto your Amazon Kindles, and then create a nice modern, e-cover on Fiverr, literally $5. And you're just creating it once, guys, and it's going to keep making you money over and over. So you're creating a $5 e-cover. Okay, that's about £3 in British money. And then you're basically uploading these books. Now there are many many other websites like this one here, but this is just one that I'm getting into. But I mean, there's a lot of public domain stuff here. But yeah, basically, in a nutshell, what you could do is you can get a full book. Like, for example, let's say if I take Macbeth, okay? So I take Macbeth, I upload it to KDP, I get someone on Fiverr to create a modern style of Macbeth, okay? And then add that to my cover, and boom, I've got my own unique book. Now, obviously, I have to, in the contents, I have to probably maybe add my own unique images and stuff like that, illustrations and stuff like that. But once that's all put together, then I literally can sell it on Amazon, okay? And I can sell it for about £1.50 or $1.50, and that can keep generating me over and over. Now, just remember, there are thousands of books that I can literally choose from, and the more I've got up on Amazon KDP, the more income I'll be generating from these books. Okay, so people are actually doing this, guys, and they're making a lot of money from it. They're making a killing from these public domains that you can get from the internet for free. It's amazing. Seriously, it's actually amazing. So, yeah, if you want to get started with this, then sign up to Amazon, and start making money with this. There's nothing stopping you. Literally, these are all free. I mean, obviously, illustration purposes and stuff, you'll have to probably, unless you know the editing, if you can create a nice e-cover, then do it yourself. If you don't want to spend money, do it yourself. And if you know some graphics designs and stuff like that, do it yourself instead of paying. But even if you were paying, it's only $5. It's not a hell of a lot of money, you know on Fiverr. That's why Fiverr is such an amazing tool, because we can get some amazing work done for only $5. Okay, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in more videos, because in another video, I'm going to be doing another video that is so awesome. Seriously, it's like you can take this to the next level. And I'm going to show you how in my upcoming videos. Okay, so take care, and